The last step in the Western blotting is the hybridization using specific primary antibody. For that purpose, we need some buffers or reagents and solutions to perform the pre-hybridization, to perform hybridization and washing. We need TBS buffer, tris buffer, saline. Composition with, as the name indicates, is with tris base. Sodium chloride is going to be dissolved and the pH is adjusted with HCl. Then we need tween 20 washing buffer. This buffer will be used for washing purpose. The composition can be seen. These buffers can be prepared in sufficient volume because washing may be required to do more than once. Then the primary antibody needs to be diluted in the buffer before we can do the hybridization, and we need TTBS milk diluted buffer for blocking of the membrane as a blocking solution. The source or the sample is required, the blot which we prepared by electroblotting. The nylon membrane is going to be used which carries all the proteins over it. Then diaminobenzidine solution is required. This diaminobenzidine solution is containing hydrogen peroxide, and this is going to be used for substrate and enzyme reaction and detection of the signal. This diaminobenzidine is carcinogen, so its disposal needs special attention. It should be properly disposed of. Alternatively, we have 4-chloroform 1-nephthol which can be used in place of diaminobenzidine. Then we need protein A peroxidase solution which is going to be diluted in TTBS and milk solution. Filter paper, glass, baking dish, non-fat dry milk powder is required. Dry milk powder is going to be used as a blocking agent. We need agitator platform and incubator at 37 degrees centigrade because all the pre-hybridization and hybridization process is going to be performed on agitator or a rocky platform, so that whole of the membrane, nylon membrane, is going to be exposed to the antibody and proper exposure can be done by this agitation.